The whole point of this is to quite literally open our doors to both the local communities, to the local schools, students, employment agencies, give them a wee explanation of the wide variety of different roles within construction, whether it's professional fields or whether it's craft-based, and showing them what opportunities are there.
People have preconceived ideas of who is right for construction and who it's for. We really want to dispel those myths. Construction is for everyone.
Open Doors offers the opportunity for people to look at the professional side and the trade side, to not only see the built environment and the product, but also to meet those people that are involved in the very early planning processes, the management processes, what main contractors do and how we differ to subcontractors and material suppliers, and look at the whole range of careers available within construction.
This week we're going to show you every trade we've got across this job, from dry lining to glazing to steelwork to roofing.
It's quite nice for the site to be open for the public to come see and see if it tickles their fancy, if you know what I mean. They can come and have a look around, because I think quite a lot of people haven't been on the site before and won't really know what goes on. It's a great opportunity for the new young generation to be able to come onto a working site and look at it and get inspired by it.
Our pupils started off quite quietly today, and by the time we'd gone round and were finished, they were enthusiastic, asking lots of questions.
Got asked this morning as well about the different materials that we use, something you don't really think about when you're there. Actually, when you get asked the question, you think, yeah, when you start looking it up, and you think, oh, there's probably about 80 different things here that make this building in.
The guys who came this morning, oh, I want to be a plasterer, and I said, there's no plastering on this hospital. It's all dry lining, and that is a new trade in itself.
Everyone's been really friendly and welcoming. It's all health and safety conscious, which is good, obviously important for schools.
Some of the things can be a little bit abstract that you do in the classroom, so it's fabulous to come on site and to see physics and other science and construction technology all rolled into one.
The young people for whom the idea of a career is something in the distance. It's very, very difficult to make tangible. Having this on our doorstep makes it real. They can see people who aren't that much older than them making a career out of it.
We're proud of what we do, we're proud of what we build.
It's really important for the industry to run these events to ensure that we've got the correct skills for the future.
We're set to create approximately 230,000 jobs in construction over the next 5 years. So it's really important that we're attracting talent to the industry from all different ages and backgrounds.